Welcome. Today I'm going to show you a method of how you can convert your phone, Android or iPhone, into a webcam using an app known as the Iriun app. It is a completely free app in the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and it is a very reliable app. My goal these days is to show you methods of how you can utilize the resources available at home, like old phones, laptops, and leverage their potential to maximize your benefits. It works by connecting your phone to the PC with its cable, and then you can use the camera source in your laptop as a source for an online meeting or any other streaming or recording or gaming purposes. Why should you convert your phone as a webcam? As I've explained previously, the native webcam in most laptops is of a poor quality. And moreover, the front facing camera in a laptop is always inferior to the back facing camera. And most phones these days come with 4K and even 8K resolution. So who wouldn't like to use the best possible resolution available in these smartphones while talking to friends or having online meetings with clients and patients? It is but natural that you will choose a smartphone. Smartphones have got fantastic picture quality. Even the front facing camera of a smartphone can give 4K resolution these days. So what do you require to pull this off? Obviously you need the smartphone, and then you need the cable which came with it. Then head over to your app store, either in Google or the Apple Store, and download an app called Iriun, Iriun. Then in your web browser, download the app for your laptop. Again, it's Iriun app. After you have downloaded it in both the devices, in your phone and your laptop, then you have to connect the devices with the cable, with the USB cable which came with your phone. Open up Iriun app in your phone and then open up Iriun app in your laptop. And the connection is made, there is no lag, and you can immediately start talking. You can bring in this source on your laptop into any further video conferencing like Google Meet or Zoom or whatever, or just use it for recording and streaming. So I'm going to show you the steps one by one. I'll first download the app on my phone and then download it on my laptop, and then you will be able to understand how to make the connection. At the present moment, although it says 4K, you can get 1920 into 1080 resolution. Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Android or iPhone into a webcam, and that to a 4K webcam. Now I'm in Google Play Store and we are going to type in and look for Iriun webcam, Iriun. So you see, that's an app which comes up. You have to install this in your phone. Since I already have it installed in my phone, it says open. Then you'll have to download and install the same app on your laptop. After installation, if you click on it, this is the screen which will come up. So this app is capturing my footage, and it says that my phone is not connected to my PC. So when I connect it, it should be available on my PC. I have typed in Iriun in my browser, and this is the search and these are the search results which come up. So I have typed in Iriun in my web browser, and this is the website which comes up. This is the Iriun website. It says Iriun webcam with the icon of the Iriun here. There is a download option for Windows, Mac and Ubuntu. As you can see, it is available on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Play Store. So I'm going to click on Windows and proceed. Since I already have this app on my Windows and my Android phone, I'm going to proceed to show you how you can establish the connection between the two devices and leverage the excellent resolution of your phone camera for as a webcam for further use. I have connected my phone with my laptop with the native cable, and I have enabled the Iriun app in my smartphone and also in my PC over here. So this is the screen which comes up. Here in this screen I can alter the resolution, the max resolution which is possible here in this app. Although it says 4K, is 1920 into 1080p. There are no other settings in this, and I can use this source as a webcam source for online meetings. So it is a free webcam. There is no lag here, as you can see. Whatever I am speaking out aloud, and you can see the synchronization between my lips and the footage in the laptop. This is a very good way of connecting your phone to a laptop as a webcam. The app is free, totally free on the Play Store, and it works very reliably. I have created more videos of how you can convert your iPhone as a webcam. To assess them, look here. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, kindly like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC and hit the bell icon after you have subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.